I'm here for the razor company, and today's shave is gonna be a banger. Stay tuned. Hey, how's it going? My name is Chris. You can search me up on YouTube and Instagram at shave_and_chat. Today's shave is gonna be a beauty of a shave. We're going with HC&C Brilliantly Broken Man. This was inspired by Versace Eros, something along that line. And guys, the scent to this is very similar to the fragrance. It has a nice, fresh bit of spice and vanilla scent to it. It's beautiful. I'll be going with the matching splash as well. And then I'll be ending off the full shave with the matching EDP. This lineup smells very similar to Versace Eros. Or is it Eros? Figure that out. I'm going to be shaving with a combination that I used on my last shave, and I loved it so much. I will be using the Henson AL13 Mild, and I'll be throwing in a feather blade. I'd also like to introduce a new member to the family. I just recently picked up a Yaqi 26mm knot. Look at how beautiful this thing is. It is gorgeous and it feels so nice. And of course, most of the stuff you guys can find over at the Razor Company. As usual, I will leave a link down below here if you want to go check them out and see the vast variety of wet shaving gear that they have. Also, while you guys are watching this video, if you haven't already, if you want to go ahead, like it, leave a comment down below. What's your favorite setup? And subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. And as usual, I'll be starting off the whole shave with the Leaf pre-shave oil. That's so good. Okay, so we are loaded and ready to paint. If you guys are ever on the Razor Company's website and you happen to not see maybe the specific software or hardware that I'm using, there's a good chance they're still going to carry that artisan. There might just be a different scent, or there may be just a different razor or not, or something or another. But for the most part, they carry pretty much everybody. For example, this HC&C, I have many of them, and in my opinion, you can't go wrong with any of them. So go visit the Razor Company and pick up some HC&C. It's good stuff. All right, guys, first pass. Here we go with the grain. There you go, guys. First pass is done. Once again, the Henson AL13 Mild mixed with the feather, in my opinion, is a beautiful combination. Let's get on with that second pass. All right, second pass. Here we go. We're going in for that third pass. Hold tight. All right, third and final pass. Let's get to it. That is much better. I'm gonna sound like a broken record. Henson AL Mild with a feather blade. And by the way, you can pick both of those things up over at the Razor Company. Go check them out. That is a phenomenal combination, in my opinion, of course. Now let's go ahead and wash off the rest of this soap and finish off the rest of the shave. Now I'll go in with my Parker's Alum Block. Just like the last shave, there's a tiny bit of stinging. That's normal. This feels fantastic. I think what I'm going to do now is bump up my aggression as far as the razor and put a feather blade in that. So if you guys have been following me around long enough, you'll know that I love to keep my equipment clean. Clean your stuff, guys. And after a smoking hot shave, I'm going to go ahead and throw on some Thayers. Now I'll throw on some Hendrix Classic Co. Brilliantly Broken Man Aftershave Splash. Whew, that definitely has a nice burn to it and smells outstanding. Man, it's good. So I have this sitting on my countertop 24/7. And there's times where it's like, yeah, I want to use it, or no, I'm not going to bother. But today I feel like I need to use it. So I'll go ahead and throw on some Nivea Aftershave Balm. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and finish off this entire shave with Brilliantly Broken Man from HC&C, inspired by Versace Eros. Wow, it smells fantastic in here, guys. What an amazing shave. HC&C, you can't go wrong with that. So if you pick some up, be prepared to be impressed. On that note, my name is Chris, here for the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.